Hola, we're back. Part 3. It's part 3 with my best friend. Oh my god, what's that?
Pero we are
Shine bright like a
still
diamond. Oh
discussing
my god, it's because of
ourselves
that boring fan ocean.
difference
Oh
about
no, oh no.
kung deserve nila kailan yung atong operate na sa kinder. Ang ilang kinder wala pa diya subjects. Akong kinder na
Oh my
mga
god.
mag-math,
Why are you
science,
here
and social
again?
studies. So
I already
we are
skipped.
still in the process of
We're
learning.
gonna hear me roar. Oh god. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh my god. Ow, that hurt. Ow, my gosh. God. Wait for me.
So come,
I'm falling,
we
I'm
cannot
falling. Wait for me.
escort you to the grade 1 and grade 2 classes like na-change man lang income. Kada po
Wala.
ang change yung pagbukan. Actually, ang mga
Oh my
teachers,
God.
subo na sila na po, alam na sila sulti. Kaya humana na sila kasi
How?
decoration.
How you jumping?
Nagibabukan mo na mo kay
How? Where are you? I'm right here. See? I'm just right here playing. You fell.
So once the classroom
Oh, I
is
didn't fall.
ready and especially
That's
on June
grammar.
8, we can visit classrooms for you to check.
Bye, bilhin na ka.
We declare start of school year is June 8 for our parents orientation at 4 o'clock. But June 9 is the start of kinder, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 and senior high school. Hindi na mo
Oh my God, how?
para
How
focus
are
on
you
mga
in
teachers
back?
and
I'm here, I'm here. I'm already up here.
And then pag grade June 10 will be the classes of
Okay, so.
the start of the classes of the
I'm
junior
people.
high
Oh my
school.
god, wait for me.
So, that will be our introductory block orientation. Following week will be
Oh
the
my gracious.
closing of classes.
Wait. Wait for me.
Wala na, again,
Oh my god, it's
nagpapasalamat kami.
Mas ugma na naman nabuntag,
At
ikaw
patuloy
nawala.
kami
I just
lumalaban
fell, so now we die.
para sa ating Thank you very much for coming. With Jesus in our hearts, and the Father, the Son.
Oh my god.
Salamat. If you have special concern,